Next, we're going to create a cloud effect. So I'm going to add a new layer. I'm going to title it by double clicking where it says layer 1, clouds, enter. And I'm going to move this between the moon, the sun, and the sky. Let's see what happens. So I got my clouds. Nothing has happened to that layer yet, but I'm going to go to filter, render, clouds. Let me do that again so you can see. Filter, make sure you're in the cloud layer. Filter, render, middle-ish. And when you hover over render, clouds should appear. Click clouds, and you get this effect of almost a tie-dye look. We just learned about opacity in the previous video. The opacity for each individual layer is above the layer window. Right now it should be at 100%. Feel free to play with that and see if you like the cloud effect. You can also change the colors of the color picker. See if that changes your clouds. You can play around with the layers, play around with the opacity. If you move the moon, sometimes that changes things. I usually keep my clouds between my moon and my sun. But play around, see if you like the clouds. If you don't, you can always drag your layer to the garbage. Or one of my favorite things instead of undo is the edit, step backwards. Edit, step backwards. And rather than the undo, which is just undo, redo, I can go back as many times as I want. And this encourages me to play because I know that if I'm not a big fan of something, I can just keep going backwards until I get it the way I like it. So I'm going to add that original fuchsia cloud effect, and I'm going to leave it there. Here we go again. This is probably starting to get annoying, but don't forget to save by going to File, Publish Online, PSD, OK, and then copy and paste your most recent to the right URL. Can't wait to see what you've made.